You'll remember that we launched Ask Cougartron last month, and each month we're going to answer a question in a video. This month we've been asked, why is Cougartron safer than pickling paste when Cougartron still uses an acid? This is a great question, and the huge difference is in the type and strength of the acid. Pickling paste has very harmful hydrofluoric and nitric acids in it, and poisoning can occur if you inhale too much of the vapour that's released. When it comes into contact with the skin, you can get serious burns, and as a matter of fact, the hydrofluoric acid has the ability to pierce the skin and react with the calcium in the blood and the bone. If this happens, then you'll need to have emergency medical treatment. Washing the acid off will be very little help. By comparison, the Cougartron is using a food-grade phosphoric acid, as you'd find in products like Coca-Cola and household cleaning products. It has a stronger percentage than you'd find in Coke, but with the correct PPE, you're perfectly protected. So you might be thinking, why Cougartron? Well, in the absence of the strong pickling paste acids, you need the power of the Cougartron in combination with the mild acids to get the perfect cleaning and polishing results on your stainless steel. Contact us for a free demonstration, and please keep those questions coming to questions@cougartron.com.